In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to embed live previews of your OneDrive or SharePoint files directly inside your Notion workspace. This makes it much easier to reference documents without constantly switching between apps or losing focus while you work. The main idea behind this integration is simple. Notion allows you to paste sharing links from OneDrive or SharePoint directly onto a page and turn them into live previews. Whether you're working on a project plan, writing meeting notes, or organizing research, you can instantly view your files without ever leaving Notion. Everything stays in one place, which helps keep your workflow smooth and organized. To begin, you will need to get the sharing link for the OneDrive or SharePoint file you want to add. Open OneDrive and locate the file you want to embed. This could be a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint presentation. Right-click on the file, choose the Share option, and then copy the sharing link. It is important to make sure the sharing permissions are set so that anyone with the link can view the file, especially if you plan to share your Notion page with others. Once you have copied the link, head back to your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where you want the file preview to appear. Click on the exact spot where you want to place it, then paste the OneDrive or SharePoint link directly onto the page. As soon as you paste the link, Notion will recognize it and display a small menu beneath it. From that menu, select Paste as Preview. This tells Notion that you want more than just a clickable link. You want a live, interactive preview of the file. The preview will appear as a block on your page, showing a snapshot of the document. Any updates made to the file in OneDrive will automatically reflect in Notion, keeping everything up to date. If this is your first time adding a OneDrive or SharePoint preview, Notion will ask you to connect your Microsoft account. In the Preview block, click the option to connect to OneDrive or SharePoint. A sign-in window may appear, or you may simply need to approve the connection if you are already logged in. Follow the prompts and grant permission so Notion can display the file preview securely. And that is all there is to it. You can now view your OneDrive and SharePoint files directly inside Notion with no extra tabs and no distractions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.